today's project. The Denny, which worked, just a few days ago. It floated. We took it in the lake. Well, we took it in the creek first. It worked, so we took it in the lake at like 10:30 at night, so that was fun. So now it's time for continuous improvement. So what I already did that I didn't bother filming, that I didn't think was interesting, is I bolted the buckets onto the sides. So nothing big there. They just a few days ago on the test, it was ratchet strapped. So now they're bolted, so that's permanent. They're on there pretty well. I mean, they flap around, but it's not like it's going to be moving real fast. And also the water does not get up to the bolt height, so I'm not worried about water coming in there. The only thing I am worried about is here. We actually just had it out, and you can see there is water coming from here, and I can actually see there's a pretty good seam separated. So I'll probably have to patch that up a little bit better. But other than that, it's working real great. Oh, I also made a paddle, because on the test, we couldn't move it. So just a simple gazebo pipe with a piece of the trash can that I cut out from there, just riveted on. So that is a success. We just tested it. And now the project is going to be to go even faster. So the idea here is to drill with a piece of this pipe. We're going to cut it, and I'll put a propeller on there, and you'll be able to just hold it as you're floating along, and you can have a propeller. So it'll be an electric motorboat. So for now, we gotta solve all the spider issues. So just gotta get all the bugs disoriented. You know, don't want any spiders coming out of here. I think they're good. Did you enjoy that? Yeah, that's good. So anyway, I'm gonna get to cutting and welding and see how this goes. Alright, so it's cut. The length, this is probably good length. It wobbles a little bit, but whatever. You could probably see that there. It'll be fine though. It's not like, I don't think it has to be super precise. So now, time to weld some propellers on it. Alright, so propeller bits. So it's just some sheet metal. I think it's off of a grill or something. And what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to flatten this out. And then I'm going to rivet this one here. This one, well, not like that, but probably like that. There's some Bondo on this. I used it as a Bondo mixing plate. So I'll put that there. And then what I'm going to do now is put it in the vise, these pieces, and I'm going to twist them to give them like a little propeller pitch. And I know nothing about propellers, but hopefully that'll be enough so that whenever this thing spins, this thing will move. So we'll get back to that. Alright, yeah, so got the first piece here. And literally you can see the twist to it. That might be, no, actually it's probably not too aggressive. Literally just clamped this end in the vise, took a vise grip, twisted it, and you can see that will work. So yeah, I'll rivet that on. I'll make the second piece, and actually I'll show you how I made the piece. So yeah, literally we're just gonna put this in the vise. Hang on, let me tighten it down. 1 second. So yeah, I'm gonna just clamp it in the vise. There we go. And where's my vice grip? There's my vice grip. And I'm just gonna clamp it at the top there. And I'm gonna bend it this way because this is how I've been doing the pitch. So just literally bend it by hand. This is thin metal. keep it kind of straight up. Now what I did on the other one, goodness, that's tight. I actually did grab it in the middle. Try to give it a little bit of a turn. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. So then, what we should end up with, there we go, twisted piece of metal. So let's just check these because we want them to be fairly the same, and they are not actually. So I'm just gonna fix this with both hands, and then you'll see them going back on. So now I got the axle in the vise, and you can see I'm just flattening it in here. I don't want to go too far because this metal's thin and it might crack, but there you go, check that out. So now I'll just rivet my propeller blades to this, and then we should be chilling. Alright, so propeller is riveted on for now. I think rivets ought to hold it. I don't exactly feel like welding this because it's so thin. Maybe I'll have to put a little tack on, but it's there. It's not really pretty, but it's there. And when I spin it by hand, I actually do feel a good amount of airflow. So it's definitely going to move. It's moving stuff. So hopefully, yeah, like when I just do that, there's a decent breeze coming back on my hand. So hopefully this should move the boat pretty good. It's not, it doesn't quite look super centered, but let's try it in the drill. That'll tell us real quick if it's off balance or not. Tighten that up. Hey! It's actually not bad. It doesn't really shake too bad. Curious if I turn it backwards, can I feel a breeze? Oh yeah. There's a decent breeze blowing back when I turn it backwards, so yeah, this ought to work. Pretty cool. So, yeah, you know, I may just add a little bit of tack weld just to make sure it doesn't fly apart when it's in the water, because there's going to be a lot more force on it. And then we'll take it for a test. Serious thrust. You see that cloud?
Yes. You know, there's another frog, Jane.
Because are you trying to blend up a fish or something?
Let's just get in the boat.
Let's get in the boat. I'm getting in the boat.
The bubbles are coming at me. Oh, there's a frog right down there.
Yes, they are. Alright. Let me just paddle out.
So if I drop your phone, I'm terribly sorry.
Apology accepted. Still beached. There we go. Now we moving Okay. Let's try the thing. Whoops. It goes.
Yeah, you're kind of moving there, bro. Yo, is it a no wake zone, Chris? Dude, you're. Oh. Follow me around here. Can't see that.
How's it going? Don't want to blend them up. Dude, this thing moves!
That's insane.
I wonder if it's easier to do it this way.
Reverse the drive.
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. Make sure we're not going anywhere. It's a front-wheel drive boat. Good heavens! Let's see how fast it goes.
All right.
Let me start over there. Ow. Paddle is I'm ready. Bro. Well, now we're moving. The buckets in the front is like a must.
Yeah, I think
Don't
they
do
are
anything stupid. We're over the deep part.
too. Yeah. Okay. Chris, where are you going? What? Okay, I stopped. Okay. You want to turn us? You want to turn us?
Yeah, I'm turning up. Okay, full power forward. You are? Are we taking on too much water? It's working! It's working!
I almost flipped it. Hi.
Dude, it floats!
Barely. I'll straighten us out. Okay. Okay,
Where
there.
do we want to go now?
Just up and down. Just
Up and down?
No, nice little stroll.
Okay.
Holy crap. Dude, this is so scary.
I'll take us downstream. We'll go downstream.
And we're off.
Dude, we're gonna be. We gotta go here.
Go. I think we have a little issue here.
Did it overheat?
It is not working. I might have gotten too much water.
It's fully overheating.
Spiderweb.
We're hitting something. That's risky. To the right, right? Well, no, it's shallow here. Great. This was short.
Not bad. Easier, but
Yeah, it's okay.
alright, here we go.
As long as we stay above the water.
Oh, here's a problem.
What's the problem?
I should be crook.
Yes, you should.
You know who it is. You know what's up. Duckus Dummuckus is back, ladies and gentlemen. Look at you. It's a duck.
They're free.
Yeah, they're free. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to embark on our voyage. And look at our friend here. She's back. She's with us. Duckus, I bet, is going to swim with us. So let's get it on.